The year is 1980. The place is Continental Divide Raceways at Castle Rock, Colorado. I'm entering the straightaway off of turn 13, following Bob in his 911. I'm in my 914. He does the unexplained and the most infuriating gesture. He waves goodbye as he pulls ahead of me in the straightaway. He has a faster car. I'm somewhat of a better driver. By the time I get to the end of the straightaway, which is a half a mile long, I'm doing 109 miles an hour. I turn into turn one, which was a right-hander with about an 8-foot drop. Slam on the brakes, downshift, hard left into turn two, out of two and into a right-hander, which was a U-turn at turn three, and accelerate and go for it again. And by turn six, I'm back on his tail again. He dodges me left and right. I can't get around him. He has more power. By the time we get back to turn 13, he waves again. And away he goes. And I could not for the life of me pass him. But I never gave up trying. Even though my car wasn't as fast as his, I knew if I could get around him, I could stay ahead of him in the corners because he couldn't keep up with me in the corners. Infuriating, to say the least, but so much fun. I loved the competition. I loved the acceleration. I loved the shifting. Everything about car racing was just a lot of fun. And it taught me a lot of lessons. Persistence and failure? I don't know. Maybe it was tenacity and success. I'll let you decide. Thanks a lot for watching. Active Aging with Keith. See you next time.